In a developing story, the high-profile trial of truck driver Benjamin Brewer has been postponed again.
Now, Brewer is charged in connection with the 2015 Interstate 75 crash in Ottawa that killed 6 people and injured several others. The National Transportation Safety Board determined that the probable cause of the deadly crash was the driver's failure to respond to the slow-moving traffic in that work zone. Our Michelle Herron has more on why this trial is being postponed again.
Today's holdup centered around that same piece of evidence that postponed the trial 3 months ago, but today, federal attorneys stepped in. For the second time this year, Judge Don Poole postponed Benjamin Brewer's trial. The reason hinges on the results of a blood test taken on the side of I-75 at the time of the 2015 crash. The 39-year-old is accused of being high on meth, causing the crash in Ottawa that killed 6 people. But attorneys on both sides don't agree on how much was in his system. That's because the state's lab and a federal lab showed different results. The defense wants to call the person who performed the test at the federal lab to the stand. But a U.S. attorney argued Tuesday that can't be done under sovereign immunity. The next best option would be a deposition instead, but it would be a race against the clock to get it done in time for the trial. There's a lot on the line for attorneys on both sides. If convicted, Brewer could spend up to 72 years in prison. The judge has not set another date for this trial just yet, but attorneys will meet back here on October 17th. Reporting in Hamilton County, I'm Michelle Herron, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.